Dear Father, thank you for taking care of me and making me feel special and giving me all love and care. I just want to say I'm sorry for all the terrible things I have done to you. I promise not to give you all terrible accusations, and I promise to you when I grow up, I will always be loving, remembering, and caring for you.
Ito na. Actually, yung anak ko, para sa kanya, may days daw. Pero sa amin, na parents na, wala namang terrible things na nagawa yung mga bata. Kasi it's a part of their growth, yung malikot, saway. Nasa sa atin yan na parents kung paano natin intindihin, saka tama, yung pagkakamali at hindi na ulit. So, sa amin na yung nanay niya, lahat sila, we treated them special. Kasi nga, hindi habang buhay, nalilig sila. So, habang pagkakataon, we should treat them special.